BG tools and our straight slot punches. We have everything from 1/8 of an inch all the way up to the 1 inch size. So here's our 3/4 sharpened edge. So I'm just going to demonstrate first here. Really little effort there, very sharp. So as you can see, you're cutting a straight slot. So oblong punches, this is a good alternative. If you're needing strap to come up and through, if you're installing a collar stud and you have your hole punch and you need to have the slit down below, tons of different uses for this. This is kind of one of those tools that just kind of sits and it gets more use than you expect on your workbench. It also allows you to do a perfect 3/4 inch slot. Whereas if you're trying to cut that slot with a blade and you're trying to go 3/4, oftentimes it doesn't end up perfectly straight, or you're not getting exactly 3/4 inch. You want that consistency. That's where the straight slot punch is going to come in handy. There's also little holes on here too. You can rack that up on your workbench too. So those are our Buckleguy tools, straight slot punch.